Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change Gmail theme and background. In the top right corner, click the gear icon and under the theme section, click view all. A gallery of themes will then appear. You can choose from the available designs here, and there are also plain ones. And you can also choose to upload your own background image by clicking on My Photos. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save. And that's it. Your Gmail now has a fresh new theme and background that matches your style.